Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're passionate about exploring the world while keeping it green, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm diving into the top 10 eco-friendly travel mistakes you need to avoid. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, overpacking. I get it, you want to be prepared for every scenario, but overpacking means heavier bags, which lead to higher fuel consumption. Instead, pack light and stick to the essentials. Next up, disposable plastics. It's so easy to grab that plastic bottle or use single-use cutlery, but they're a major environmental hazard. Always carry a reusable water bottle and a set of travel-friendly utensils. Third mistake, ignoring local food. Not only is local food delicious, but it also reduces your carbon footprint. Imported foods require significant transportation, so eat local and support the community while you're at it. Fourth on the list, excessive use of air conditioning. Sure, you want to be comfortable, but blasting the AC doesn't do our planet any favors. Opt for natural ventilation or set the temperature a bit higher. Fifth mistake, traveling during peak season. Crowds lead to more resources being used and more waste generated. Try traveling in the off-season to reduce your impact and have a more authentic experience. Mistake number 6, overlooking public transport. Renting a car might seem convenient, but it's not the most eco-friendly option. Use public transportation, rent a bike, or even walk whenever possible. Seventh mistake, not researching eco-friendly accommodations. Many hotels and resorts are making strides in sustainability. Look for places with green certifications or those that implement eco-friendly practices. Eighth mistake, neglecting to offset your carbon footprint. Flying has a significant environmental impact. Offset your carbon emissions by investing in renewable energy projects or tree planting programs. Ninth mistake, wildlife exploitation. Avoid attractions that harm wildlife, like elephant rides or selfie opportunities with drugged animals. Support ethical wildlife sanctuaries and observe animals in their natural habitat. And finally, mistake number 10, forgetting to educate others. Share your eco-friendly travel tips and experiences with friends and family. The more people know, the bigger impact we can make together. So there you have it. Avoid these common mistakes and you'll be well on your way to becoming a more eco-conscious traveler. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your own eco-friendly travel tips in the comments below. Happy travels!